Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you want to know how to make this car, still stay tuned till the end. Okay, so first of all, what you want to do is get a cylinder, cylinder. So then, after you do that, scale it down to whatever size you want, and then go into properties, and then scroll down and find surface. And once you do that, go to left or right face, and then on that, then press the drop down, and then do hinge. So as you can see, now you have a hinge. So then, after you do that, you can color it if you want. So after you do that, you have to duplicate the the cylinder, and then move it to wherever you want. And then you go back up here and get a block. Then after you get a block, then move it up here. Okay, I'll turn on collisions for that. So after you do that, then you scale the block to the other cylinder, and then you have to move this part. You have to make sure this part is blue over here, this one. You'll need join surfaces for that, because if it's not blue, then it won't work. So then after you do that, press scroll if you want to select both of them at the same time, or just do this. But I recommend using scroll. And then duplicate them. So after you do that, then you move it back down, and you do the same. You just move it on. And then you have to make sure it's blue. Okay, so after you do that, you made sure it's blue. So then, go into workspace, then press the plus up there, and then search for vehicle seat. So it's already here. It's up here. So now that you have a vehicle seat, just put it onto your car, and then group the entire thing. Don't anchor it or else it won't work. So now we're going to test play. Okay, so now, see, the car works. You can move it around. This is another car I made. You can customize the car to make it look nice. For example, on this new car I made, you can add blocks to it to make it look more real or something like that. You can also change the color of the car and stuff like that. For example, if you want the car red or pink or yellow or anything. Yeah. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Next time I'll show you how to make the lighting. Bye.